Unpacking Idioms. Crying into one's beer. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an interesting English idiom. Crying into one's beer. Idioms can add color to our language, but they can also be confusing for English language learners. So, let's break this one down together, ensuring you can use it confidently in your conversations. The phrase, crying into one's beer, is used to describe someone who is dwelling on their sorrows or feeling sorry for themselves. It paints a picture of someone sitting alone, possibly at a bar, with a drink, traditionally beer, lamenting their misfortunes. This idiom is often used humorously or lightly to comment on someone's state of self-pity. Understanding where idioms come from can often help us remember them. The exact origin of crying into one's beer is a bit murky, but it's believed to have emerged in the mid-20th century. The imagery of someone sitting at a bar, sulking and literally having tears fall into their drink, gives this idiom its vividness. It encapsulates a universal theme of finding solace in one's drink during times of sadness, albeit in an exaggerated manner. Using idioms correctly can be a bit tricky, so here are a few examples to guide you. After losing the game, he was just sitting there, crying into his beer. Don't waste your evening crying into your beer. Let's find a solution. It's important to note that this idiom is typically used in informal contexts. It's perfect for casual conversations but might not be suitable for formal situations. And that's a wrap on crying into one's beer. Idioms like these can add fun and depth to your English conversations. Remember, the key to mastering idioms is to practice them in context, so don't shy away from using them. I hope this video has been helpful, and you feel more confident in your understanding of English idioms. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.